Hello guys, you're welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your created YouTube channel. So we're going to be editing the channel to suit our needs. So let's get started. Once you click on this your YouTube icon here, this is your channel icon. You come to this this menu appears, and then you click on your channel. So this is your channel, this is the channel we created. Then I want to edit this channel. I want to change the name of the channel. You click on edit channel. This pen like icon here, you click on it, and let's change this YouTube name to Online Money Guide. You can change it to whatever you want, and you click OK. So your channel name has been changed like this. And then the description, you can edit your description up to 1000 words. So let's say on then the next thing you want to do, this is your privacy. Say keep all my subscription private, keep all my saved playlist private. You don't want to do this, just leave it the way it is because you want it to be public. But otherwise, if you want it to be private, you could just click them and then turn them on, and this is it. So the next thing you're going to do is to change your YouTube banner. You add your YouTube banner and then your YouTube image, the icon, your channel image. Okay, so let's change the channel icon. So click on this image in here and then choose from your photos. So this is the image I downloaded. This is what I want to use. Save. So our profile picture has been updated. So the next thing we want to update this is the channel banner.